custodian, and it feels so right. Back when I was young, just a kid at the store, face to the glass, couldn't ask for more. Dreams on a shelf, but my hand stays still, counting coins knowing I never will. But I made a promise in a quiet way, one day I'll come back, I'll get them all someday. Now I'm older, got a little more time, a little more heart, a little more mind, and every box I open feels like healing inside. I'm the custodian, guarding every dream, building up my world piece by piece, it seems. From the kid who watched to the man I am. Now I hold the stars in my own two hands. Yeah, I play pretend, yeah, I don't care. Got Optimus Prime right here, and Megatron too, yeah, they still fight. In my living room on a Friday night, I'm the custodian, and it feels so right. Snap the parts, hear that plastic click, Gundam standing tall, yeah, the details hit. Hours go by, but I don't mind. Every piece I build puts me back in time. Then I pose it up like a work of art, glass case shining like a brand new start. And I step back, take it all in slow. See that kid I was, yeah, he finally knows. We made it here somehow, yeah, we made it through. I'm the custodian, guarding every dream, building up my world piece by piece, it seems. From the kid who watched to the man I am. Now I hold the stars in my own two hands. Yeah, I play pretend, yeah, I don't care. Got Optimus Prime right there, and Megatron too, yeah, they still fight. In my living room on a Friday night, I'm the custodian, and it feels so right. People say you're grown, why you still play? They don't see the kid I saved along the way. This ain't just toys, it's a life I'm in, a quiet kind of joy that don't need an end. Through the glass I see it clear, every dream I held is finally here. And somewhere back in time I see a younger me, smiling back at me. I'm the custodian, I found my peace in every build, every small release. From empty hands to a heart so full, living out the dreams I used to pull. Yeah, I play pretend, but it's real to me. Every piece of joy in this memory, from the shelf to my soul, now I finally see. I'm the custodian, I'm finally free. So let them talk, I'll just stay this way, a grown man dreaming like a kid at play. Cause happiness ain't something you outgrow, sometimes you just gotta let it show. Yeah, 50 years old, but the spark's still alive. Bass knocking hard while the plastic collide. Welcome to the world of the custodian. Yeah, custodian. Yeah, yeah. Clock hits 5, man, I'm dead inside. 2 jobs grinding, barely survive. Steel toe boots and tired eyes. Dreams of Gundams in my mind at night. Back then I would stare at the shelf, couldn't buy nothing for myself. Now I'm older, bills stacked high, still chase robots that can touch the sky. Transformers posed on the table like camera rolling on a Friday night. Cut the parts and sand them clean, living my childhood in HD screen. Sometimes a hobby feels like work, editing clips till my backbone hurts. But every comment keeps me strong, maybe somebody out there sings along. I'm the custodian, building dreams piece by piece again. Beat scope on while the models spin. Weekend warrior, let the build begin. I'm the custodian, still got fire underneath my skin. Views low now, but I won't give in. Saturday morning coffee and glue. Panel lines looking fresh, brand new. Make her wings with the neon shine. Tryna make memories frozen in time. Subscriber count moving too slow. Algorithm acting cold like snow. Still I hit record every chance I get. Even when the burnout starts to hit. Sometimes I wondered if it's all worthwhile. Then the viewer says, man, you made me smile. That's enough to keep me alive. Keep the hobby dreaming amplified. Not too old to create, not too late to relate.